Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to add a video to your emails in Klaviyo. Adding videos to your emails can greatly enhance engagement and provide a more dynamic experience for your subscribers. So let's dive right in and make your emails stand out. First, you'll want to start by opening up Klaviyo and navigating to the email template that you're working on. Once you have your email layout open on your screen, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. On the left side, you will see a sidebar panel which contains various content blocks that you can use to customize your email. Now, locate the video block in this left sidebar panel. This block is your gateway to embedding engaging video content directly into your email. Simply click on the video block and drag it over to your email layout canvas. Drop it right into the spot where you want the video to appear. This action will add the video block to your email layout, giving you a placeholder where your video will eventually be displayed. Once the video block is in place, the next step is to add your video link. Click on the video block that you just added. Doing this will open up the settings panel on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a field labeled Video URL. This is where you'll paste the link to your video. It's important to note that the video link must be public and come from a supported platform such as YouTube, Vimeo, or TikTok. So before heading to Klaviyo, make sure your video is uploaded on one of these platforms and that it's publicly accessible. Copy the URL of your video from there. Now, go back to Klaviyo and paste the copied URL into the video URL field in the settings panel. Double check to make sure the link is correct and that there are no typos or extra spaces. Once you paste the URL, Klaviyo will automatically fetch a thumbnail of your video to display in the email. This helps your recipients get a visual cue of what the video is about, enticing them to click and view it. And just like that, your video is now part of your email. Adding videos can be a great way to share product demos, event highlights, or even testimonials, making your emails more interactive and engaging. Remember, while the video itself will not play directly in the email, clicking on the thumbnail will direct your subscribers to the video on its hosting platform where they can watch it in full. This ensures a seamless viewing experience without the technical complexities of embedding a video player directly in the email. I hope you found this guide helpful in learning how to add video to your Klaviyo emails. By following these simple steps, you can make your emails more appealing and increase engagement with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.